Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to sell your cryptocurrency on crypto.com, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the crypto.com app and log into your account. Step 2. On the home screen, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom. Step 3. Select Crypto Wallet, then tap on the coin you want to sell, for example, Bitcoin or USDT. Step 4. Tap the Sell button. Step 5. Choose where you want to sell to, your Fiat Wallet to hold the money in app, or your crypto.com Visa card to spend it immediately. Step 6. Enter the amount you want to sell and tap Sell again to confirm. Step 7. Review the transaction details and confirm the sale. And that's it. Your crypto is now sold, and the funds are in your selected wallet. Tip: make sure your account is fully verified and you've linked your Fiat wallet before selling. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials here on Guide with Samuel. Thanks for watching.